Hi, I'm Victoria, the Progressive Center's Summer Student Science Ambassador, and I'm back for a second week of at-home science experiments. This week we're talking about rockets and how people got to space. So, how exactly did people get to space? Well, I can tell you that it certainly took a lot of planning and hard work. Hundreds of thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians had to design the spacesuits, train the astronauts, and of course, build the rocket. There are four main parts to every rocket. The structural system, which is the outside, it protects the inside of the rocket from the cold temperatures of outer space and the hot temperatures of re-entering the Earth's atmosphere. Then there's the payload system, which helps with communication, the guidance system, which controls the rocket and keeps it on course, and the propulsion system, or the thrusters, which helps the rocket launch off the ground. Of course, there are other parts of a rocket too, but those are the most important ones. So, now that you know a bit more about rockets, we're going to build a model rocket that you will be able to launch off the ground. For this experiment, you will need a paper towel roll, construction paper, a balloon, glue, and scissors. First, you're going to cut out a circle just like this from the construction paper. Then, take your scissors and cut a line from the edge of the circle to its center. Just like this. Then you're going to fold the circle into a cone shape and glue it so it stays in place. Okay, so next, once you have your cone, you're going to take the paper towel roll and put glue around the top of the paper towel roll. It's okay if this gets a bit messy. So now you're going to stick the cone on top of the paper towel roll. This is going to be the top of your rocket. Okay, now if you haven't already, you should cut out 3 triangles that are the same size. These will go at the bottom of your rocket, and they will look like the fins or thrusters. If you want, you can do more than 3, but I find it works best with 3. So once you have them cut out, you can fold the edge of them to create a flap, just like this. Okay, so now put glue on the edge of the flap and stick it to the bottom of the rocket. Okay, so now here's where you can get creative. You're going to decorate your rocket. Here I already cut out a window and a door, but you can feel free to do any type of design you want. You can even draw patterns with markers or cut out different shapes to decorate it. Okay, if you want, you can pause the video and finish decorating your rockets. But after you finish, we're going to take our balloon and you're going to put it inside the open end or the bottom of the rocket. And then once it's inside, you're going to blow it up. It's important that the balloon is inside the rocket before you blow it up, because if you blow it up first, you won't be able to put it inside. And I also find that smaller balloons work better, so just take note of that. And well, you're done. So the reason why we built it the way we did is we built the top to represent the payload system, so the communication systems. We put a window to represent the guidance system or the control system. We put the fins to represent the thrusters, and the paper towel roll represents the structural system. And that's it for this video. But please tune in next week for another video and experiment. Thanks for watching.